Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw Santa. Let's start off by drawing the hat with a thin, curved rectangle like so. Then, add a line curving up from here and another line from the other side that curves up, over, and down. From the bottom left of the rectangle, draw a big cloud shape that comes down, around, and back up to the other side like so. In the middle of the cloud, draw a wide U shape for the nose. Underneath the nose, draw an S shape that goes out to the left, then curves back up to the middle like so. Then, mirror that on the other side to finish off the mustache. Underneath that, draw a small U shape for the mouth. From the hat, draw a line curving down and to the right from the edge of his beard. Then, mirror that on the other side as well. For the eyes, draw two curved lines and two small ovals on top for the eyebrows. Finish off the head by drawing a circle here for the ball at the end of his hat. Next, draw a big C shape coming down from here for the arm. At the bottom, add a curved rectangle for his cuff. And from the cuff, draw a small bump with a bigger bump underneath for a mitten. And from the cuff again, a line going to the left for the arm. Let's make the other arm hold a sack of presents. Draw a C shape with a space where the shoulder is. A curved rectangle for the cuff, a short line for the thumb, and a big bump for the rest of the mitten. From the mitten, draw two lines going up over the shoulder, with a short line for a wrinkle. Underneath the mitten, draw a rectangle with a wavy bottom, and a short line for another wrinkle. Finally, finish off the sack of presents with a big round shape over his shoulder. Underneath in the middle, draw a belt buckle with a rectangle like so, and a smaller rectangle inside it. From either side of the buckle, draw rectangles going out for the belt. Then, a line coming down from the arms, ending at the belt. Add two more lines coming down from the belt on the other side. Then, two lines running down the middle to the buckle that continue underneath and turn to the left like so for the edge of his coat. On the right side, draw a long rectangle across as well. Underneath the coat, draw two big rectangular bumps for his legs. Followed by two lines coming down from each leg for his boots, and a big bump on the bottom for his foot. Lastly, color in his belt, his boots, his glove, and his buckle. And now you got Santa! Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.